times we have experienced this, sitting in the car, doors closed, under the hot sun, in the midday, in the traffic? I think most of us, right? Many of us at least. How does it feel? In a car, doors closed, hot under the sun, you were stuck in middle of the traffic. How does it feel? Yeah, I mean, what's the temperature? It's hot inside the car? Yeah. Right. So the same way, this is called greenhouse effect. In the same way, the earth also receives the heat, but the heat doesn't go out. So the atmosphere in the earth is heated. This is called greenhouse effect. So why does this happen? It is due to the release of some greenhouse gases which captures the temperature on the earth and doesn't leave the temperature to escape our earth. So the temperature rises on the earth. So this is called greenhouse effect. The impact of greenhouse effect is the rise of temperature, what we call global warming. Global warming is a global phenomena, a very serious climatic and environmental problem which is faced by our earth. Scientists estimate that if the same pace at which the temperature is growing continues, hardly the life on earth could last for 100 years. So imagine at what level of seriousness or at what level of dangerous situation we are there. So let's look into, what this global warming is exactly and what causes this and how to tackle this. Global warming, as I said, is caused due to the greenhouse gases which are released by a lot of factories due to the use of chlorofluorocarbons which are used in air conditioners and refrigerators and all. Due to the growth of the use, we release a lot of greenhouse gases which are causing the temperature rise. These gases like methane, carbon dioxide, H2O, water vapor are also causing, especially the ozone and CFCs are also causing the damage to the ozone layer, which is causing hole of the ozone layer. So the ozone layer which is damaged is allowing UV rays which are harmful to human beings. So humans are being affected with dangerous diseases like cancers. This is other side of the problem. So what is the impact of this? Impact of global warming? Food security. A lot of people don't believe that global warming can impact food security. Due to the rise of temperatures, the crop yield decreases. So globally we may face a food security problem. Second is, lot of tropical insects migrate because in tropical areas temperature increases. So lot of tropical insects migrate to temperate zones. So the diseases like malaria and other insect related diseases migrate to temperate zones like US and Europe. One is that effect. And glaciers melt. It causes floods. Our houses and our buildings will be flooded. It causes huge disasters. And it also affects the biodiversity. Due to the rise of temperature, a lot of animals or plants can't sustain, and they may die, which causes huge imbalance to the ecosystem, which impacts us as well. So there's a lot of sustainability problem we are facing now. One thing is, not a single person, not a single nation can do this. It's a global phenomenon, and the entire world should react to it, and the entire world should have a political will to design a protocol to protect our earth. So locally and nationally, our leaders should be politically motivated and they should be political will to deal with this problem. How does it will come? We are electing our leaders. So people should be empowered first. People should know about the causes or ill effects of global warming, and they should ask their representatives to solve their problems. So with this, I take an opportunity to request all of you to raise awareness about this serious problem we are facing.